Hey guys, we're back with another video. So today's YouTube video, we're going to be trying to make slime with soap and salt. Putting it in the freezer. I'll put it in the comments below until it turns into slime. So, show you my next video. So I'm going to put purple so it can turn out like a pretty color. So I'm going to mix it in a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit in. I don't think it's working. I think it's kind of working. A little bit more. So you guys, I'm going to take it in the room and keep on mixing it. Okay. It's turned watery. Oh yeah, I forgot. You have to mix it slowly. It's gonna turn out into a pretty purple. Let me show you guys. Look. Get that. So, it's kind of a little bit watery. Better go get the dish soap and add some more. See if that will help. Hold on, you guys. I think this is going to turn out into a pretty perfect. So let me show you guys what it looks like. That is so pretty. So now, gonna mix it. Keep on mixing it until it activates a little bit. Then put it in the freezer. So I'm gonna set a timer I think I'm gonna put it in there for an hour, like 5 hours. So 6, 7, 9, 10. Be 10 o'clock. It's time to take it out. So you guys, I'm putting it in the freezer right now. But I don't know where to put it. So. So you guys, while we're waiting, I will go live so you guys can see what the slime looks like. So peace.